When it comes to superfoods, the avocado often steals the spotlight. Known for its creamy texture and rich flavor, this fruit has earned a reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. But what many people don't realize is just how profoundly a single avocado can impact your liver and overall health. With its unique combination of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, the avocado is more than just a trendy ingredient. It's a key player in promoting a healthy body, particularly when it comes to liver function. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating effects of eating just one avocado. From detoxifying your liver to boosting your metabolism and supporting heart health, the benefits of avocados are backed by scientific research. We'll delve into studies from reputable institutions that highlight why this fruit is so highly regarded in the world of nutrition and how it can be a game changer for your liver and overall well-being. If you've been curious about how to naturally support your liver, or if you're looking to enhance your diet with foods that pack a powerful health punch, this video is for you. We'll break down the science and explain how incorporating avocados into your daily routine can lead to significant health improvements. And before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our health-focused content. Now let's dive into what makes avocados so special and why you should consider making them a regular part of your diet. First and foremost, avocados are an excellent source of healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known for its heart protective properties. These fats are not only beneficial for your cardiovascular system, but also play a crucial role in supporting liver health. Monounsaturated fats help reduce inflammation, a major contributor to liver damage, and can assist in maintaining optimal liver function by promoting the production of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, the good cholesterol that helps remove bad cholesterol from your body. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are rich in dietary fiber, with a single fruit providing about 10 grams. Fiber is essential for digestion and helps regulate bowel movements, which indirectly supports liver health by facilitating the removal of toxins from the body. A well-functioning digestive system reduces the workload on the liver, allowing it to perform its detoxifying duties more efficiently. Avocados are also a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. They are particularly high in vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the liver from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a significant factor in the development of liver diseases, including non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin E in avocados helps to prevent cell damage and supports liver regeneration. Moreover, avocados are rich in potassium, with more potassium per serving than a banana. Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, which is vital for liver health. High blood pressure can lead to liver scarring, cirrhosis over time, so keeping your blood pressure in check is essential for liver longevity. Additionally, avocados contain an array of B vitamins, including B5, B6, and folate, which are essential for energy production and the metabolism of fats and proteins. These vitamins support the liver's ability to convert food into energy and process fats, helping to prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Number 1. Avocados and liver health. One of the most notable ways avocados benefit the liver is through their high content of antioxidants, particularly glutathione. Glutathione is often referred to as the master antioxidant because of its critical role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. The liver, being the body's primary detox organ, is constantly exposed to harmful toxins and oxidative stress. Glutathione helps to neutralize these toxins, reducing the risk of liver damage and supporting the liver's ability to regenerate healthy tissue. Scientific studies have shown that glutathione is particularly effective in combating liver conditions such as fatty liver disease, which is characterized by an excessive buildup of fat in liver cells. Fatty liver disease, often associated with obesity, diabetes, and alcohol consumption, can lead to more severe liver damage if left untreated. By boosting glutathione levels, avocados help the liver detoxify fat more efficiently and prevent the progression of fatty liver disease. In addition to glutathione, avocados are rich in other antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C, which further protect the liver from oxidative damage. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant, helps reduce inflammation in the liver, which is a common response to liver injury and can lead to conditions like cirrhosis if left unchecked. Vitamin C, on the other hand, supports the immune system and helps the liver in neutralizing toxins. The healthy fats in avocados also play a crucial role in liver health. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL levels, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, which is important for preventing the buildup of fatty deposits in the liver. By promoting a healthier lipid profile, avocados help protect the liver from conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a common liver disorder that can lead to cirrhosis and liver failure in severe cases. Moreover, avocados contain compounds like saponins and chlorophyll that have been shown to have hepatoprotective effects, meaning they help protect the liver from damage. Saponins, naturally occurring plant compounds, have been found to reduce liver inflammation and improve liver function, while chlorophyll, the green pigment found in plants, helps detoxify the liver by binding to toxins and facilitating their elimination from the body. Number 2. Avocados and cardiovascular health. One of the standout features of avocados is their high content of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These fats are known to lower levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while simultaneously raising levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, or good cholesterol. This balance is critical in preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Several studies have demonstrated that diets rich in monounsaturated fats, such as those found in avocados, are associated with a reduced risk of coronary heart disease and improved overall heart health. In addition to their beneficial fats, avocados are a potent source of potassium, a mineral essential for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. High sodium levels can lead to increased blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. By including potassium-rich foods like avocados in your diet, you can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. In fact, research has shown that adequate potassium intake is linked to a lower risk of hypertension and cardiovascular events, such as heart attacks and strokes. Avocados are also loaded with dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in heart health. Fiber helps reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the bloodstream, further contributing to lower LDL cholesterol levels. Moreover, fiber supports healthy digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing conditions like diabetes, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. A diet rich in fiber has been consistently associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, making avocados an excellent choice for heart-conscious individuals. Another important component of avocados that supports cardiovascular health is their antioxidant content, particularly vitamins C and E. These vitamins help combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to the development of heart disease. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, and the body's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants. By reducing oxidative stress, antioxidants in avocados help protect the heart and blood vessels from damage, lowering the risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular issues. Furthermore, avocados contain plant sterols, compounds that have been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Plant sterols work by blocking the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines, leading to lower levels of LDL cholesterol in the blood. This effect is particularly beneficial for those at risk of heart disease, as it provides a natural way to manage cholesterol levels without the need for medication. Finally, avocados have anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to their high content of monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of cardiovascular disease, contributing to the formation of arterial plaque and increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By reducing inflammation in the body, Avocados help protect the heart and maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. In summary, avocados are a powerhouse of nutrients that offer comprehensive support for cardiovascular health. Their combination of heart-healthy fats, potassium, fiber, antioxidants, plant sterols, and anti-inflammatory properties makes them an essential part of a heart-friendly diet. Including avocados in your daily meals can help lower cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and ultimately protect your heart from disease. Number 3. Incorporating avocados into your diet. Breakfast boost. Start your day with a nutritious twist by adding avocados to your breakfast. You can spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast for a creamy, satisfying start. Avocado toast is not only delicious but also provides a healthy dose of monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. For a heart-healthy breakfast, top your avocado toast with a poached egg or a sprinkle of chia seeds for added protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Salads and soups. Enhance your salads and soups with chunks of avocado. For salads, toss diced avocados with leafy greens, tomatoes, and cucumbers, and drizzle with a light vinaigrette. Avocados add a creamy texture and a burst of healthy fats to your salads, making them more satisfying. In soups, like gazpacho or creamy avocado soup, blend avocado into the base for a velvety texture and an extra nutritional boost. Sandwiches and wraps. Add slices of avocado to sandwiches and wraps for extra flavor and nutrition. Avocado pairs well with a variety of ingredients, from turkey and chicken to grilled vegetables. Spread mashed avocado on the bread or wrap instead of mayonnaise for a healthier alternative. This simple swap enhances the nutritional value of your meal and adds a creamy texture. Incorporating avocados into your diet can have profound benefits for both your liver and overall health. Their nutrient-rich profile, combined with their positive effects on cardiovascular health and liver function, makes them a valuable addition to any meal plan. By enjoying avocados in various ways, whether as a creamy spread, in smoothies, or as part of your main dishes, you can take full advantage of their health-boosting properties. Remember, incorporating nutrient-dense foods like avocados is a simple yet powerful way to support your well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.